first day at this new school. I am so scared. Will the kids here be friends with me? Class 5B, where is it? Hey, you are new here, right? I am Luna. Which class are you in? I am Mimi, class 5B. Oh wow, that is my class too. Come, I will take you there.
Wow, so many friends here!
Yeah, let's find our seats. Hi there, over here.
Children, today we have a new student in our class. Mimi dear, come in and introduce yourself to everyone.
Hello everyone, my name is Mimi. I love reading books and solving puzzles.
Look, bro, the four-eyed mouse has come to our class.
That is Bruno, the biggest bully in school. Just ignore him, Mimi.
Okay.
Hey, Four Eyes! You are sitting in my seat! Get up from here now!
But there is no name written here.
In this school, my name is written everywhere! Got it? Your lunch is ours now, Four Eyes. And your books, too!
I will not cry. I need to think. If not with strength, then with brains!
Mimi, I heard what happened in the cafeteria. Are you okay?
Luna, I am fine. But I will not stay quiet anymore. I have an idea!
What idea?
Tomorrow there is a sign to do. I will show Elzar Beta the muscles thing. But Mimi, Bruno has been winning for 2 years. Not this time, trust me.
Children, today's competition will be very exciting. First up, Bruno will present his project.
This is my super volcano, the most powerful! Your turn now, Four Eyes. Get ready to lose!
Now Mimi will present her project. Come on up, dear.
This is Meowbot. This robot can listen to you and help you. Meowbot, please give this flower to Luna. Oh, this is amazing! Meowbot, now dance.
This is incredible! This year's winner is the winner!
I did it!
No, this can't be! Boss? Mimi, please forgive me. I kept treating you badly. You are really smart.
Bruno, scaring people with strength is easy, but making friends, that is real courage. Will you be friends?
We are sorry too, Mimi. Yeah, really sorry.
Mimi, I am so proud of you!
Remember, brains are always bigger than muscles, and true friendship is the greatest power in the world.
This food is so yummy.
Good job, buddy. You finished all your food. Now it's time for bed.
I'm so Let's go inside.
Oh my God, what happened to my baby? How is this possible?
Daddy, I'm so hungry. I'm so hungry.
Oh no, Kitty! I'll try!
I need food. I'm so hungry.
Hello, police! A giant fat in my entire store! She's eating everything! Please come fast! Hurry!
This is huge. How do we stop things like that? This is huge. How do we stop something like that? Did something fall?
There must be something inside my baby causing this. I'm going in to find out and fix this.
Potion will shrink me down! Hang on, baby. Daddy is coming to save you!
Hang on, baby. Daddy is coming inside. Don't be scared. Where is the thing making my baby sick? It must be somewhere in here.
Go away! This is my home now! Leave my baby alone! Get out!
It's done. It's gone. My baby's gonna be okay now. Whoa! Wait, incredible!
You saved me. You really saved me. From now on, I will always check my room before sleeping. No worm is getting in here.
What a wonderful night.
Look at that shot. This is the best walk ever.
Listen up, team. We're not dying today.
According to my calculations, we have 48 hours before the infection becomes permanent.
Bro, can we panic after I finish my sandwich?
I'm not scared. Okay, maybe a little.
Look, 11 p.m. 48 hours left.
Why is anything so vain? Great work, Bean.
I also added glitter.
I just had a heart attack and I'm not even 30.
Map's marked. We're set.
Backpack secure.
Mask on. I'm invisible.
One more bite for luck. Bye, Teddy. Time to be brave.
Did someone say supermarket? Oh! More cans, fast!
Goodbye.
Rope and tape check.
This one has vitamins. Heavy. The catnip bombs will confuse them for 30 seconds. That's our window.
Ow!
A wounded warrior.
What's that sound?
Run! Run!
The catnip doesn't affect him. He's too powerful.
That's the mayor! He was fat, but now he's fat and terrifying!
I found it. There's a plant, the golden catnip flower. It can reverse everything.
Where is it? The zombie nest, the old city hall, where the zombie king lives.
We have to try. Those zombies, they're still our friends and family. My mom is out there. For Meow City.
Hey, zombies! Come get this chunky boy!
Hi! I missed you so much. My kids in your home.
What a reception.
Thank you all. Hi, everyone. beautiful morning.
Pancakes are almost ready, my little sunshine.
Morning, Mama. I love you so much.
I love you more, my little Milo.
Park time! Park time! Here I come in! Luna! You're Milo! I've been waiting for you! Let's play! Where could Milo be? Is he behind the tree? She'll never find me here! Hee hee! Milo, look at the sky! It's getting so dark!
Don't worry, Luna. It's just a little cloud, maybe. Hold my hand, Luna! Don't let go!
I'm scared, Milo. Where'd he go?
Luna, lovers, come on, hurry!
I'm coming! Wait for me! I'm so cold, Milo.
Here, Luna, take my bow tie. It'll keep you warm. I promise everything will be okay.
A walkie-talkie! Maybe we can call for help! Oh, Milo, try it!
Hello? Oh, can anyone hear me? We're stuck in a treehouse in the park. Please help us.
Please, someone answer. Help! We're stuck!
This is Captain Rex. I hear you loud and clear, little one. Hold on tight. I'm on my way. Stay brave. Through the thunder and rain, Captain Rex raced to save them. The basket is coming up. Climb in carefully.
We see it! Thank you, Captain Rex!
We made it, Milo. I told you everything would be okay.
There you go, little ones. You're safe now. You were both very brave today.
Oh, my little Milo, where are you? Please be safe. Please come home. Never scare me like that again, my sunshine.
I promise, Mama. I love you.
Mama's pancakes taste even better after an adventure.
Eat up, both of you. There's plenty more.
And so, safe and warm with full tummies and happy hearts, Milo learned that the greatest adventures always...
Extra cheese, more chocolate giant pizzas. Chef Biscuits is the greatest meal ever!
Yes, this tomato is perfect. Only the finest ingredients for Chef Biscuit.
Oh, chocolate goes with everything. I'll take 10, no 20, no all of them.
Sir, those are not cooking ingredients.
Wow! Are you okay? That's a lot of chocolate for one recipe.
I'm Sprinkle. I love baking better. What's your name?
Welcome to my kitchen, Sprinkle. Today we cook the greatest meal.
Wow, Miss Chesney!
Just a little bit of flour and wow!
Well, at least we look like snowmen, right? Right?
Chef Biscuit, I don't think that's how recipes work.
And now for my secret ingredient.
Candy! Everything tastes better with candy!
The soup is alive! The pizza is dying! Everything is going on! Don't get me wrong! I'm a terrible chef, Sprinkle. I ruined everything.
Hey, don't say that. It's not over yet.
Maybe I should just give up. I'm not a real chef. Real chefs don't put candy in soup.
My, what's a young chef doing looking so sad on such a beautiful evening?
Oh, I'm sorry, ma'am. I'm a failure.
You see this? This was me 40 years ago. Wait, are you? But you're baking? That's my idea.
Gently now. Feel the dough with love and patience, not speed.
Like this, Granny? Slow and gentle?
Perfect.
It's beautiful! I made a real pizza!
That's a chef's masterpiece.
Welcome, welcome, welcome to Chef Biscuit's restaurant. Come in, come in. We have pizza.
Table for two?
This is the best small family like guitar! I tell you what, the scary police guy likes it! Sprinkle, look at this. Everyone is happy, did it?
No, Chef Biscuit, you did it. You never gave up.
You know, Sprinkle, I'm glad I made all those mistakes. Because they brought me here.
And they brought us together. Hiya, Mama! Push me higher!
Hold on tight, my little flower. Here we go.
Tea time, my beautiful girls. I made Mama's favorite chamomile with honey cookies.
Wow, did you bring the ones with sprinkles?
Full world. Mama, Papa, and a garden full of love. She wished this moment would last forever.
Daisy, my little flower, do you feel that? That's your heart, and no matter what happened, as long as your heart keeps beating, Papa will always be right here. Always.
Promise, Papa.
I promise, little flower. Forever and always. Don't cry, my little flower. Remember, I'm right here.
Papa, please don't go. Please, I need you.
Feel your heart, Daisy. I'll always be right there.
Papa was gone.
And then Mama disappeared too. Daisy was left all alone in a house that no longer felt like home.
Mama, are you out there? Can you see the moon too? Please come back. I'll be good. I promise I'll be good.
So you're the little orphan they're sending me. Well, don't just stand there. Come in.
Don't touch anything.
Enough. Get to work. You missed a spot near the oven. Do it again. The whole floor.
You look like a dirty little mop yourself.
It's okay, just keep going, Daisy.
Mama, I miss you so much. I don't know where you are, but I'm keeping your necklace safe. Papa said to be brave. I'm trying, Mama. I'm really trying.
Want to make a difference? Track the innocent.
Do that! I can find Mama. I can make everything right. My beautiful Daisy, you are braver than you know, stronger than you think, and loved more than you'll ever imagine.
Promise, Mama, you'll never stop fighting.
No more crying. No more wait. No more being afraid. I'm coming, Mama. I will find you. No one is lying.
Every morning at 5 a.m., while the world slept, Daisy ran. Through rain, through cold, through pain, she never stopped.
Section 47 of Criminal Procedure Evidence Collection. I'm almost there, Mama. Just a few more chapters.
Get up, Daisy. Get up. Papa said be brave. Mama said never stop getting back up. Number 1. Daisy. I did it. Mama, where are you? I did it.
Mr. Daisy reporting for duty. I'm opposite the people I love, and today points that us.
And she had a mission.
These financial records don't add up. Mama's property was transferred to wait this name.
No, Auntie Thorne, she did this? She stole Mama's property. She forged the document from us. She's the reason I lost everything. There it is, the complete picture. Auntie stole Mama's property, forged the inheritance document.
Mama sent away to cover her crime.
She's in there. After all these years, Mama is right behind this door. Okay, Daisy, breathe. You can do this. One step for every night I cried. One step for every floor I scrubbed. One step for every time I wanted to give up but didn't. I kept it safe, Mama. You can. Every single night I boiled a flower.
All units in position. Target is inside. Move on my signal. Copy that, Officer Daisy. Standing by. Hello, Auntie Thorne. Remember me? The little kitten you made scrub your floors? The one whose mother you stole? Auntie Thorne, you are under arrest.
Ma'am, this way, please. Watch your head.
You'll regret this, you ungrateful.
The only thing I regret is that it took me this long. Take her away. It's over, Papa. It's finally yours.
And so, the little lavender cottage that once stood dark and empty bloomed again, brighter and more beautiful than ever before.
So beautiful, Daisy. I forgot how warm the sunshine feels. I forgot how sweet the flowers smell.
Look, Mama, that star. It's Papa, isn't it?
Yes, my flower. He's watching over us.
I can feel him here.
And so, brave little Daisy proved that no matter how dark the night becomes, no matter how hard the...
I'm the sharpest detective in the living room, and today, we have a crisis. The yarn basket is empty, not a single ball left. It's a clean sweep. Wait, a strand of blue wool. Fresh. Let's move! The trail leads through the kitchen. The thief had a snack break. Or a hideout. Goldie says she saw a figure dragging something toward the laundry room. The laundry room. It's dark, it's dangerous, and it smells like lavender. Alright, come out with your paws up. I know you're in there. Aha! The blue bandit is actually just Barnaby, the new recruit, having some fun. Another mystery solved. Barnaby's off the hook for now, but I'll be watching. Being a detective is exhausting. Time for a nap. See you on the next case.
In a beautiful, colorful village, life was peaceful and sweet. Little Bunny was busy chasing butterflies. What a pretty butterfly. Hey, hey, hey. Her mother called out, "Don't go too far, sweetheart. Lunch is almost ready." Nearby, Detective Whiskers was on patrol. Everything looks peaceful today, but someone was watching. Hey, hey, hey. That little bunny is all alone. This will be easy. Mommy, help me. The fox laughed. Nobody is coming to save you. Detective Whiskers heard the cry. Stop right there. I won't let you get away. The fox scrambled to his van. Go, go, go. The engine roared to life. You're not getting away. Whiskers zoomed forward. The great chase had begun. The fox dragged Little Bunny to a dark, abandoned warehouse. Things looked grim. Trapped in a cold metal cage, Bunny cried softly, hoping for a hero. But Whiskers was right behind them. He slipped inside through a broken window. In the dust, he found exactly what he needed, the key to the cage. Shh! Tiptoeing past the sleeping fox, the brave kitten reached his friend. Click, the lock turned and Bunny was finally free. They raced toward the light as the fox woke up in a shock. The clumsy fox tried to chase them, but he fell flat on his face. Ha 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 ha! Finally, they reached home. Mama Bunny was waiting with a heart full of joy. Reunited at last, Detective Whiskers had saved the day once again.
The entire village gathered to celebrate. Cheers rang out for their bravest detective. Hooray for Detective Whiskers, our hero! They shouted with joy. Banners waved and confetti filled the air in a party that would be remembered forever. With the village safe and a job well done, Whiskers knew he'd always be ready for the next adventure. Because wherever there's trouble, Detective Whiskers is on the case. Case closed.
Once we were happy.